want people to know that I'm here. I joined you faster than I would on the BMW. I mean, it's up to you. I don't care. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with riding that. It's not going to be like the CBR and letting you know. It's fun, but yeah. And you want to turn down it. He wants to turn down the ground. You're not a very good sport bike rider. Oh, so you're one of those Honda-matic dudes. Now this thing, sometimes you gotta watch the brake. Just saying. Like, it's pretty good now that WD-40'd it, but it might get chunky. Just warning you. And it's got 4 mirrors.
Why did you want bar ends?
Because she didn't like the bar ends, so she put those on, and she's like, I don't like both of them. But I'm like, I leave them on. When you're sitting upright, the bar ends work good, but when you kneel down, you can use those mirrors. I like it. It's like the double mirror system. Where's the kickstand? There it is. Yeah, it's more of an upright sport bike.
Yeah, that's a little more.
Well, this is a race bike. That's a sport bike. All right. You're gonna have to give me a second and crab walk your bike over there. All right. Okay, we are now on pavement. We can. Yeah, that back brake likes to do that. Man, I feel like I'm running your bike hard, but we're not even getting close to red line. Yeah, because my mind is tuned to my bike. My bike only RPMs out at 8,500. So I'm hearing my bike, because I mean, an engine around will make the same quote-unquote sound around the same RPMs. You know what I mean? So that frequency I'm hearing, I'm like, man, I'm running it hard, because I would be. I mean, 7 grand is maxed out on my bike. I said, I'm running your bike in too low of a gear. When I roll on the gas, I'm like, we're not moving. I'm like, oh, I'm shifting too fast. Okay, there's a passing zone up here. Did you make it? Yeah, I might have pulled a little power wheelie while I shifted too. Oh yeah, once you wring its neck, it's gone. Yeah. one or the front one? Is it starting to do it on you? I need to switch out that lever. Next hill. Which is good because I didn't want to head on a camper anyhow. Man, this thing gets there fast. It like sucks you down into it. I'm like, ah! I mean, there's nothing in the world like that acceleration. See, the thing is, there's such a thing as too much of a good thing, you know what I mean? And that's what I was trying to tell Dad. I'm like, if you don't have if you don't master a 600 and you're trying to go to a leader bike, what business do you have to do to go over 150 miles an hour? I mean, honestly. I mean, this bike will do 140. That's all you need. I mean, if you want, why? I don't know. I don't comprehend it. And is it really worth the spike in insurance? Well, that's my most expensive bike, and that's 300. I run full on everything. Your insurance company only treats you as good as you pay them. Oh, I agree, but the thing is my BMW is worth more than this, and I pay half of what that is. It's 150 a month. Not a month, a year, with like really good limits too. Oh yeah, I was kind of shocked at the price that they wanted for that. I'm like, dang. I know they pretty much gave me insurance for my truck when we got married. They're like, all right, you're married, well, here's $600. I'm like, what? I added a vehicle. Yep, here's $600. I'm like, okay. I'm not gonna argue with that logic. So I guess we're going to Wellsboro, if that's okay with you. Whenever you want your bike back, you're more than welcome to have your own bike back because it's yours. Yeah, the kickstand's a little rough. And the bike doesn't get ridden as much as it probably should.
Enjoy the CBR?
Oh, I loved it.
Alrighty.
There she is. Yeah, that brake is sketchy. Anything rides with like it's on rails when it's not 10 feet off the ground. I said anything rides like it's on rails when it's not 10 feet off the ground. How many miles do you got, you think, on those bars? Because if you really need gas, I guess we could go out to Liberty, but they're both the same distance, so there's a lot of cars. What the heck? Oh, there's a cop. Oh no, that's a fire policeman. Or is it the mailman? No, that's not it. They're mailman. Oh, I don't like being like this on a bike. Oh wow, that's a live bear, isn't it? Holy heck, it's alive. Yeah, I seen it lift its head. Ugh. No, he probably got whaled. I know the bear my mom hit, it was killed on impact, so it didn't feel nothing. Oh, it depends on what kind of, well, I mean, that was a baby bear. That's why it wasn't, I mean, if you hit a full-size bear with a Prius, I don't know if your Prius would last. Why are there so much yard sale? What day is it? Oh, it's Thursday. Like, why are there yard sales everywhere? Well, it's a fork in the road that's stony. It's two dirt roads and it forks off. It's called Stony Fork. It's over that way, actually. Well, technically, in the medieval days, all their forks were stony. Yep. Don't give me that look, boy. Don't make me come over there. I caught you. Look at that nice Ruger sitting out there. Yeah, you're showing. You got a little Haynes action going on. I'll tell you one thing though. That your bike it's really smooth and everything, but that whole issue where it barbecues your back, that's really the only downside to it. I bet you do, but I'm just saying, like, coming at it from a reviewer standpoint, but then again, it's a slim market of people who ride their CBRs in the winter there. It's a slim market of people who actually ride their CBRs in the winter. It's a baby car. The sun is blinding on your mortal soul. I don't know. I want people to know that I'm here. Are you sure? I can't even hear me. So this one time, me and my buddy, well, he was my buddy at the time, we are no longer friends anymore, but we were walking down this road and he was acting, and this black dude was gardening, and he's like, hey. So my buddy's like, what? And he's like, you don't want to buy some buds? He's like, huh? You don't want to buy some buds? He's like, I don't know. He's like, weed, bro, you don't want to buy some? He's like, no, sorry. I'm like, dude, stop acting like that. People think you're a druggie. Oh, yeah.